I spotted this trade just using two simple steps. Mark where the big player enter and wait for the price to return. Here, let me break it down for you. Hey trader, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I share price action and smart money concept strategy to help you trade like a pro. In this video, I will show you how I caught this GBP USD move using smart money concept. We will cover market structure, order block, imbalance, and entry confirmation. And stick around until the end because I will reveal my secret weapon, the Golden Fibonacci tools that I combine with order blocks for crazy high probability setup. So now let's jump into the chart. Always start with market structure. On the 4-hour chart, the trend is clearly bearish after creating bearish break of structure. Why we need to know this? Because the higher time frame set the overall bias. But when I jump into 1-hour chart, you can see that here we already have internal market shift happen. And in 15 minutes followed by a minor break of structure to the downside. And soon we have fractal market shift happen over here. Meaning right now our low time frame and medium time frame has aligned. It tells me that the market has entered into retracing phase. So I'm looking for a long opportunity inside this pullback. Step 1. Mark where the big player enter the market. In SMC, that's called an order block, the last opposing candle before an impulsive move. So in this 15-minute time frame, we can see we have one over here and one over here. Why does this matter? Because that's where the institution place their big orders. So price often revisit this zone to fill leftover position, which makes them a high probability reaction area. Step 2. Wait for the price come back to that zone. But here's the key. Look for imbalance, also called as fair value gaps. Let me show you the example in this chart. Because when price move away too quickly, it creates inefficiency. Area where no trading happen, the market likes to rebalance these gaps. So when imbalance align with your order block, you have got powerful confluences. Here's an extra tips. I added the Golden Fibonacci to this zone. When the 0.71 level align with my order block and imbalance, is the ultimate confidence booster. I will show you exactly how I set it up in the end of this video. When price tapped into the order block and feel the imbalance, I waited for my confirmation or so-called entry model, like a lower time frame break of structure or fractal market shift. So in this example, I have to show you in 5-minute chart. So here is where you see the last 5-minute break of structure to the downside, and it came back up here to create a fractal market shift, and then it came back down to sweep the available liquidity sitting below here. So this is my entry model. Why we need confirmation? Because no matter how strong is your confluences, the market can still do whatever they want. So it is very important to have your own entry model. So once my entry model show up, that's where I executed my long position. From that entry, the market rallied nearly 100 pips. And with a tight stop loss, there's more than 1:4.5 risk to reward trade. This one good trade can cover multiple small losses. I entered this trade on Friday night Malaysia time, which is New York session, and it took me 2 days because it's weekend. So until Monday, Tokyo and London overlaps, that's where I take profit. As promised, here's how I set up my Golden Fibonacci. I pull it from the swing low to the swing high, and here is the setting. You can take a screenshot if you want. The 0.71 level represents the golden ratio, and institutions love this level because it is deep enough to grab liquidity, but not too deep to break structure. So when 0.71 level aligned with an order block and imbalance, that's my secret sniper entry model. So the key takeaway here is always combine confluences. Order block for smart money footprint, imbalance for price efficiency, and Golden Fibonacci for precision. And if you think this GBP USD setup was clean, wait until you see my USD JPY trade. I use the exact same concept but with an extra twist to make it even sharper. That video is coming next, so make sure you hit like, subscribe and comment FIB if you want a full Golden Fibonacci tutorial. And make sure we always remember, patience pays profit. So here's the end of the video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.